Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add an internal link in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option and scroll down or up. Here you will find this edit PDF option, select, and here we will find this link option, select here and select here add or edit link. Now draw your link area. Yeah. And select here, go to page view. Here you can select invisible rectangle or visible rectangle. I'll select invisible rectangular. Now click next and set link. I'll set this page link and now simply select set link and check this link. Yeah, this. Again select this link. Yeah. Now I'll create another link, edit and link area. Here I will select visible rectangular, choose thick, invert. Now click next and I will select here this area and now click set and select this link. Yeah, this is, and select here. Yeah, and simply click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.